The name of the man accused of opening fire on construction equipment on the Sabal Pipeline and then opening fire on law enforcement. The end of the confrontation was caught on camera. You see it right here. Deputies say the gunman went on a 30-mile chase starting in Marion County and ending in Citrus County. Deputies were forced to shoot and kill him after he shot at them. The Sabal Pipeline developers say they are cooperating with law enforcement. The Sabal Trail Pipeline is a 515-mile natural gas or methane pipeline. It's being laid from Alabama through Georgia and into Florida. Protesters are concerned that the project is not safe and endangers waterways and burial sites. People are also upset more than 160 properties were taken through eminent domain to make room for this project. The Stop Sabal Trail group, which opposes the project, says they had no prior knowledge of the incident and they have no evidence linking that person, the gunman, to their group.